I lost all my audio for all of the clips, but we're gonna make do. I'm gonna give you what I can remember to be my voiceover as I change this car battery. I hope you can empathize with me. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. So here's innocent Ruben, who thinks his audio is working, but it's not. Going out, getting into the car, reversing the car so I can do this on the driveway. It's a nice warm day. I thought everything was going so perfectly well. Little did I know. What are you doing? What are we doing here? Setting up the camera so that you guys can see the battery. First thing you notice is that the battery is being held by a bracket to the body that kind of makes sure that, you know, it's fastened, not moving around, and we're gonna have to remove that and the terminals to be able to take this battery out. Here I am thinking I'm being cool, explaining away, guys, listen, you're gonna save money here. You know, instead of going to the shop and spending $100 for them to just remove batteries, you can do it yourself as long as you're not driving an electric car. Try it at home. You know, it's not that difficult. You're gonna save yourself some money. First, you can't just go changing your car battery whenever you think your car has a problem. If your car's having a hard time starting, it might be your battery. What you gotta do, you gotta get one of these things called a multimeter. It tests what the strength of the battery is, or what charge it's holding, and how strong it is, and whether it's holding any sort of strength. So you take the positive, which is the red, and the negative, which is the neutral, which is the black, and you put it onto the battery. Once you put it onto the battery, the red and the black, make sure you haven't driven the car for 8 hours. And if you don't get anything above 12.5, if it's low, it means that one of the cells in the battery is dead or dying, or, you know, it's depleting on you, and you have to change the battery. So you take a 10mm spanner and you start removing first the in the RAV4 2017, which is what this car is, the bracket, and then the two terminals. Pretty easy. They're literally just loosen the terminals on instead of like totally removing them, and that way you're able to actually take the battery out. As you can see here, the battery kind of sits snug, you know, it kind of sits in this little like plate pocket type thing with some protection insulation around it to make sure your battery has longer life. What I'm doing here is just making sure the place is clean for the new battery to go in. And get the new battery, making sure that I'm putting the terminals towards the side where the wires are to be able to fasten on easily, making sure positive will meet positive, negative will meet negative. You don't want to run into problems otherwise. And then what do? Make sure you, in this car, it had a bracket on top. Not all cars come like that, but this bracket, I'm gonna put on top, making sure it's nice and fastened. You don't want this thing jiggling around in there when you're driving. And then once you have it nice and fastened in, you take your first bolt and you start, you know, tightening it up. And then right after that, you can actually go ahead and start putting on both terminals back. Totally safe, and making sure that you get it on there. Don't go too tight with this. Terminals need to be snug, not tight, but make sure that the bracket is nice on tight, not moving around. Here you would have heard the car go ring, 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 ring. You know, the car's running audio. And here's me explaining, guys, listen, that took me like 20 minutes. We saved money. All you have to do is buy the battery, and you can wait at your, you know, for a local sale at your local Canadian Tire to, you know, buy a battery on sale that is the one that you might need. Overall, guys, it actually is really simple. I'm not an expert, so don't take this as expert advice, but if you're looking to change your battery, it's really simple. If you want more tips and tricks on how to, you know, do car stuff or do house stuff, you know, let me know in the comments. I don't know, I think that's what I said. And if you want this battery, I have a battery that doesn't work that I'm willing to give away for free, so let me know. Alright, that's all I had, bye.
Well, if you made it till here, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more content just like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post all things food, family, fun, and travel, and would love for you to come along with us for the ride. We'll catch you in the next one.